Hey, thanks for tuning in. Well, if you hate this sound as much as I do, then install of the Denali Sound Bomb Mini. It's supposed to be a plug and play and a quick install. So stay tuned. Let me throw this thing on real fast and we'll see if it truly is going to make a difference in the way that the stock horn sounds. So here on the 1250, horn's mounted right up under this side right there. You can see right through this panel, the horn is just held on by a nut right there. You just go up behind it with a box end wrench, 14 millimeter, and take it off. Disconnect the connector, horn slides right out. Here's a size comparison between the stock horn and the Denali horn. One thing that I am a little concerned with is water getting inside of it. Not sure how long it'll last. I've seen a few things on the internet that said not to get water in it. There's a comparison. Comes with a plug and play adapter. All right, got the new horn installed. One thing I didn't mention earlier is the reason I went with this one is because it's a direct plug and play and it does not require a separate CAN bus connection. So here's the sound with the new horn. Sounds a lot better, a lot louder, a lot more like a car. I think that'll get people's attention really fast. There you go, Denali Mini Sound Bomb.